It's a very dubious argument, in my view, to people to argue that, you devalue, you will get this, and we keep devaluing. And the more we devalue, the more we become import dependent. Now look at it today. The textile industry is gone. The leather industry is gone. The tire manufacturing industry is gone. All of those things that were booming before, they are gone. So has devaluation worked? The answer is no. In terms of increasing our export, have we reduced our import? The answer is no. We are importing more. But what is the problem? The policy is still there. But in terms of thinking through new policy choices, you cannot. Abibi has a lot of law because he has this collection of